Hello everyone. Today we're going to be talking about blockchains, one of the most basic topics in the crypto industry. If you like the video, if you feel like you learned something, you can leave a like or you can subscribe for more content. Let's jump right in. So what is a blockchain? A blockchain is essentially a ledger of transactions that is immutable. This means that once a transaction goes onto the blockchain, it can't be changed. A blockchain achieves security by giving each block a hash key. Then the next block in that chain gets the hash key of the block before it, effectively creating a chain of hash keys. If a hash key is changed, then the entire blockchain becomes unusable. That's because changing a hash key changes all the data on the blockchain as well. Blockchains are typically used on a peer-to-peer network. This allows for validators and individual nodes, and these individual nodes and validators help to process all the data on the blockchain. So the blockchain was actually developed by the infamous Satoshi Nakamoto, and then the blockchain became a fundamental piece of both Bitcoin and most other cryptocurrencies. Blockchains can be used both for transferring data or transferring information. To create a new block, a validator needs to create what's called a proof of work. In the case of Bitcoin, the proof of work cost goes up with the number of validators on the system. So the more people trying to make blocks, the harder it is to try to create a block. Once a block is created, it's sent to every other validator on the system so that it can be checked to see that it is the proper block. So one common misconception about blockchains is that they are inherently tied to cryptocurrencies. This isn't true. Blockchains can exist without cryptocurrencies, and they essentially just work as an information transfer network. How are blockchains going to change the future? Now, I can't talk about or even understand every industry that the blockchain is going to be moving into, but essentially the blockchain is going to be used for almost every industry. It can be used for voting, it can be used for energy management. We can put almost everything in the real world onto the blockchain through an NFT. It's going to be used for currencies like cryptocurrencies, Bitcoin, Ethereum, stuff like that. Big banks might be moving into it in the future where they start to staple their own stablecoins onto cryptocurrencies. Of course, it can be used for data collection and artificial intelligence in the future. So there you all have it. It was a short video today just about blockchains, nothing else. Very, very simple. There isn't too much to a blockchain. Just a public ledger that everyone can put information onto, but no one can change. I hope you guys learned something today. If you did, you can leave a like, you can subscribe if you want more content, and everyone have a great day. Thanks. Take care.